Hello, today I'm in Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you how to download and install software update for your car. Firstly, make sure that your car is connected to Wi-Fi or you've got the latest software version installed on USB drive. Currently my car is connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's go to menu and go to info. Enter system info, software update, start software update, and now press download. Now car is downloading latest software update. Update will end itself and then install. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.